morning children. Now I am going to take science for you. So this is revision lesson number 2. So I think already you have completed the classwork. So if you have completed the classwork, open your classwork and look after the classwork. I will read. So this is revision lesson number 2. The lesson name is our basic needs. First main odd words. First one survive, SURVIVE, survive. Second one hungry, HUNGRY, hungry. Third one shelter, SHELTER, shelter. Fourth one protect, PROTECT, protect. Fifth one heat, HEAT, heat. Sixth one breakfast, BREAKFAST, breakfast. Seventh one morning, MORNING, morning. Eighth one strong, STRONG, strong. Ninth one healthy, HEALTHY, healthy. 10th one vegetables, VEGETABLES, vegetables. 11th one lunch, LUNCH, lunch. 12th one afternoon, AFTERNOON, afternoon. 13th one dinner, DINNER, dinner. 14th one bones, BONES, bones. 15th one nutrients, NUTRIENTS, nutrients. Okay children, so these are the odd words. Once again I am going to repeat. First one survive, second one hungry, third one shelter, fourth one protect, fifth one heat, sixth one breakfast, seventh one morning, eighth one strong, ninth one healthy, tenth one vegetables, 11th one lunch, 12th one afternoon, 13th one dinner, 14th one bones, 15th one nutrients. Now second main, fill in the blanks. First one, food makes dash and healthy. So in the dash you must write strong, STRONG, strong. Second one, dash and vegetables keep us healthy. So in the dash you must write fruits, FRUITS, fruits. Next, third one, milk keeps our dash and teeth strong. So in the dash you must write bones, BONES, bones. Fourth one, we must drink at least dash glasses of water every day. So in the dash you must write 8, EIGHT, 8. Next, a dash covers our body. So in the dash you must write clothes, CLOTHES, clothes. Next one, a house is a home where a dash lives in it. So in the dash you must write family, FAMILY, family. Okay children, so these are the fill in the blanks. Now third main, write true or false. First one, food helps us to grow. So in the bracket you must write true, TRUE, true. Second one, we don't need home to live in. So in the bracket you must write false, FALSE, false. Third one, clothes don't protect us from heat, rain and cold. So in the bracket you must write false, FALSE, false. Next, fourth one, we all wear clothes. So in the bracket you must write TRUE, true. Next, fifth one, milk is a complete food. So in the bracket you must write true, TRUE, true. Sixth one, we get wool from cow. So that is wrong. So in the bracket you must write FALSE, false. Children, so these are the true or false. Next, fourth main, name the things you have for. So first one, breakfast. So for breakfast, what you eat, you must write there. First one. So for breakfast, what you eat children? So you eat idli, dosa, upama. IDLY, idli. DOSA, dosa. UPMA, upama. So for breakfast, idli, dosa, upama. Second one, lunch. So for lunch, rice, sambar, pulao. RICE, rice, SAMBAR, sambar, PULAV, pulao. So for third one, dinner. Dinner means in the night. What you will eat, that is called dinner. So in the night you must eat, we will eat chapati, ragi ball, or someone will eat rice also. So I have written here chapati and ragi ball. CHAPATHI, chapati. RAGIBALL, ragi ball. Okay children. So these are the things that we have for first one, breakfast. For breakfast, idli, dosa, upama. Second, lunch, rice, sambar, pulao. Third one, dinner, chapati, ragi ball. Now next main, answer the following. What are our basic needs? Food, clothes, home and water are our basic needs. F-O-O-D food, C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, H-O-M-E home, A-N-D and W-A-T-E-R water, A-R-E-R, O-U-R our, B-A-S-I-C basic, N-E-E-D-S needs. Food, clothes, home and water are our basic needs. Second one, why do we need to eat food? Answer, when we feel hungry, we have to eat food as it makes us strong and healthy. W-H-E-N when, W-E-V-F-E-E-L feel, H-U-N-G-R-Y hungry, W-E-V-H-A-V have, T-O-2, E-A-T eat, F-O-O-D food, A-S as, I-T eat, M-A-K-E-S makes, U-S as, S-T-R-O-N-G strong, A-N-D and, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y healthy. When we feel hungry, we have to eat food as it makes us strong and healthy. Okay children. Next third one. How do clothes protect our body? Answer. Clothes cover our body and protect us from heat, cold and rain. C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, C-O-V-E-R cover, O-U-R our, B-O-D-Y body, A-N-D and P-R-O-T-E-C-T protect, U-S-S F-R-O-M from, H-E-A-T heat, C-O-L-D cold, A-N-D and R-A-I-N rain. Clothes cover our body and protect us from heat, cold and rain. Next fourth one, what do we wear in summer? Answer, we wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep us cool. W-E-W-A or wear, C-O-T-T-O-N cotton, C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, I-N in, S-U-M-M-E or summer, C-O-T-T-O-N cotton, C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, K-E-E-P keep, U-S-S, C-O-O-L cool. Next fifth one, what do we wear in winter? Answer, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm. W-E-W-A or wear, W-O-O-L-L-E-N woolen, C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, I-N in, W-I-N-T-E-R winter, W-O-O-L-L-E-N woolen, C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, K-E-P keep, U-S-S W-A-R-M warm. Sixth one, what do we wear in rainy season? Answer, we wear raincoats and gumboots in rainy season. We also carry umbrella. W-E-V-W-A or wear, R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T-S raincoats, A-N-D and G-U-M-B-O-O-T-S gumboots, I-N in, R-A-I-N-Y rainy, S-E-A-S-O-N season, W-V-A-L-S-O also, C-A-R-R-Y carry, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A umbrella. We wear raincoats and gumboots in rainy season. We also carry umbrella. Next seventh one, what is called uniform? Answer, children wear special clothes to school. These special clothes are called uniform. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N children, W-E-A-R wear, S-P-E-C-I-A-L special, C-L-O-T-H-E-S class, T-O-2 S-C-H-O-O-L school, T-H-E-S this, S-P-E-C-I-A-L special, C-L-O-T-H-E-S class, A-R-C-A-L-L-E-D called U-N-I-F-O-R-M uniform. Next eighth one, what are the different houses? Answer, there are two different houses. One is Kacha house, another is Pakka house. T-H-E-R there, A-R-E-R, T-W-O-2, D-I-F-F-E-R-A-N-T different, H-O-U-S-E-S houses, O-N-E-1, I-S-E K-U-T-C-H-A Kacha, H-O-U-S-E house, A-N-O-T-H-E-R another, I-S-E P-U-C-C-A Pakka, H-O-U-S-E house. Okay children. So these are the revisions of second lesson. That second lesson name is our basic needs. Okay children, any doubt children? I think all of you could have understood this revision. So once again I am saying that if you have already finished your classwork, practice in a rough note. Otherwise, if you have not completed your classwork, see this video and complete your classwork. So if you have already written, don't write once again. Okay children, practice in the rough note. Okay children, thank you.